Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will do the sixth chapter. The name of the chapter is Index Number. In this part we will learn about the types of index number and what are the significance of index number in economics. Basically when we talks about the types of index number, we must know what are the different types of index number. See, index number is of four types. There are the four types of index number. The first one is price index number. Second one is quantity index number. Third one is value index number. And fourth one is special purpose index number. So these are the four types of index number. Which are they? They are price index number, quantity index number, value index number, and special purpose index number. Now we will do each of them in detail. Now let us start with the types of index number. The first type of index number is price index number. What is the first type? It is the price index number. Price index number is nothing but it measures the changes in price of good. Price index number is nothing but it measures the changes in the price of the good. What does the price index number do? It measures the changes in the price of the good. It compares the level of price between two different time period. What does it does? It compares the level of prices between two different time periods. So what is price index number? Price index number is nothing but it basically measures the changes in price of the goods, and also it compares the changes in the price of the good between two different time period. So I hope the first type, that is the price index number, is clear. So price index number is nothing but it measures the changes in the price of the good. Now let us come to the second types of index number. The second type of index number is quantity index number. What is the second type? It is the quantity index number. It is also called as volume index number. The second type is also called as the volume index number. It measures the changes in the level of output. What does quantity index number do? It measures the changes in the level of output, physical volume of production in the economy. So quantity index number measures the changes in the level of output, that is the volume of production. What does it do? It measures the changes in the volume of production in the economy. For example, changes in agricultural production. For example, the changes in agricultural production, industrial production over the period of time. For example, it measures the changes in the agricultural production, industrial production over the period of time. So quantity index number is nothing but it measures the changes in the volume of production in an economy. Now let us start with the third type of index number. What is the third type of index number? Third type of index number is the value index number. What is value index number? The value of commodity is the product of its price and quantity. P into Q. P multiplied by Q is the formula to measure the value index number. Value index number measures the changes in the value of variable terms of rupee. It is more informative index as it compared to both the changes in the price as well as the quantity. So it combines both the changes in the price as well as the changes in the quantity. So it is the combination of the both the first type and the second type. Now what is the fourth type of index number? The fourth type of index number is special purpose index number. They are constructed with some special purpose. So this four type of index number is constructed with some specific purpose. So it is constructed with for some specific purpose. For example, import export index number, import export index number, labor productivity index number, share price index number. So these are all the different types of special purpose index number. For example, import export index number, labor productivity index number, share price index number. Now let us start with the significance of index number. Significance means importance of index number. What are the various importance of index number? The first significance is framing suitable policies. So first significance, that is the first importance of index number, is it is suitable, that is it is applicable for framing the suitable policies. Index number provide policy makers framing the suitable economic policies such as agricultural policy, industrial policy, fixation of wages, dearness allowance, and in accordance with the cost of living. So it is helpful for the economics for framing the various policies like agricultural policy, industrial policy, fixation of wages, dearness allowance, and cost of living. The second significance of index number is studies trends in the tendencies. It studies the trends and tendencies. Index numbers are widely used to measure the changes in economic variables such as production, price, export, import over a period of time. For example, by examining the index of industrial production of the last 5 years, we can draw the important conclusion according to the industrial production, whether it is low or shows an upward tendency or the downward tendency. So the second significance, it measures the trends in the tendencies. It shows an upward tendency or the downward tendency in an economy. Third significance of index number is forecasting about future economic activity. That is, index number is important in forecasting about the future economic activity. Forecasting the future economic activity. Index number are useful for making the prediction for the future based on the analysis of the past and the present trends. So it is useful for forecasting or the prediction for the future based on an analysis of the past and the present trends in the economic activity. For example, based on available data pertaining to the import and export, future prediction can be made. Are you getting? For example, based on available data pertaining to import and export, future production can be made. Thus, forecasting guides in proper decision making. The fourth significance is it is useful in measurement of inflation. Index number is useful in measurement of inflation. Index number are also used to measure the changes in price level. Index number is also useful to measure the changes in the price level from time to time. It enables the government to undertake appropriate anti-inflationary measure. There is legal provision to pay DA, that is dearness allowance, to the employees in organized sector on the basis of changes in the dearness index. So the fourth important is it is useful in measurement of inflation. Are you getting? It is useful in measurement of inflation. Fifth importance of index number is that it is useful to present the financial data in real terms. It is useful to present the financial data in real terms. Deflating means to make the adjustment in the original data. What does deflating means? To make the adjustment in the original data. Index number is to adjust the price changes, wages changes. Thus deflating help the present the financial data in real terms at the cost prices. So these are all the 5 significance of index number. I hope all the 5 is clear. The first significance was that it is helpful for framing the suitable policies. Second one was to study the trends and tendencies. Third one is for predicting about the future economic activity, forecasting about the future economic activity. Fourth one was measurement of inflation, and the fifth one was useful to present the financial data in real terms.